Abacus Maths, making your child count. Please watch the video till last. Follow these rules at home as wash your hands properly and maintain social distancing. Good evening, kids. I hope you all are safe at home. So stay home, stay safe. Our today's video is based on the topic making beads 1 to 9. So let's start. Kids, in my last video, we have discussed how to make abacus tool. I have made a long abacus tool for you last time. We have practiced how to draw abacus tool. Now kids, in this video, I will recall you the beads from 1 to 9. The beads 1 to 9 I have make you study in your first class also. We have made abacus beads 1 to 9 in your first class. You have made. Now we will recall the beads from 1 to 9 today. Now first of all, I will make a rough sketch of your abacus tool, which we have drawn last time. A long box. Students, just pay attention and watch the video carefully. You will get many more things in this video. So stay tuned and learn more. I'm not making abacus tool, students. Abacus tool I have made in my last video. I'm just making a sketch of it. One by one, step by step, I made the abacus tool last time. Now this time, see, this type of abacus tool I have drawn last time. Now, there was one midline containing one dot. Listen, students, those who have not seen my previous video, last video, they will face some problem because they will not know how to draw abacus tool. It will be difficult for them to understand this. So students, those who have not watched my previous video, please go through my previous video first of all, then watch this video. If you have skipped my last video, please go through the last video first and then watch this video. So you remember, in my last video I have made 17 lines here inside this box. I have made 17 lines. Then I have made dots, 5 dots, you remember. So today we will not make 17 lines. I have only taken the middle line, because last time also I have told you that in this middle line we do our calculations, and I will take the line just besides the middle line. Just side wali line लूँगी मैं, mid line and side line today, and rest of the lines we will not draw. See, in abacus tool also I will take tool, set your abacus, upper beads up, lower beads down. Now see students, this is the middle line and this is the side line. Middle line, side line, middle line, side line. These two lines I have taken here. Middle line, side line, middle line, side line, and rest of the lines I have not drawn. So kids, our today's topic is beads from 1 to 9. So today we will draw beads from 1 to 9. See kids, 1 to 9 beats I have told you before also in class first. So it will be easy for you to recall it. Now today I will tell you beats 1 to 9 first of all here, then I will tell you in tool also. So let's start. First of all, I will make beat 1. I think students are getting this. Remember students, what is this? This is beat 1. Do you remember? Yes. And dot is also there here. See, now just focus. See, lines, dot, this you have studied in your first class. You all remember. This is beat 1. So students, see here. See, lines, one midline, one this line and dot. See, this and this is same. Understanding? This means that the beats which I have told you in class first, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The 9 beats which I have told you in class first, I have taken those beats from this line. So we have drawn these beats and these diagrams many a times in class first. So it is from this rod. Always I make this rod for you. This means that whatever I am drawing here, the beats from 1 to 9, they are all from this rod. Means I am making this rod here. Now your beat 2. See, 1, 2. So this is beat 2. Now same, you will make the beats till 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we can make here 7. Till 7 first of all we will make. I am making in a quick way. You can also use this. This is a quick way to make the beats. You can also use this trick. See students, how fastly I have made. You can also use this trick. See now, 2, this is 3, 1, 2, 3. I think you are remembering it. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 5. How you will make 5? Above the line. So kids, do you remember? I have told you the bead which goes above the line, it becomes big and it becomes 5. Do you remember kids? I have told you in class first that the bead which goes above the line, see this bead is below the line. बिलो द लाइन मीन्स लाइन के नीचे है, तो ये छोटी है, इट इज़ स्मॉल एंड इट इज़ 1. द बीड विच गोज़ अबव द लाइन, जो लाइन के ऊपर चले जाती है, इट बिकम्स बिग, वो बड़ी हो जाती है, एंड इट इज़ 5. Now 5, 6. You will count like this. See, this bead is 5. So 5, and this is 1. 5 plus 1, 6. Now 5, 6, 7. Students, again we will recall 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we will draw 8 and 9. Small we will draw here. I am not having space, so students, I am making here. You can make in your notebook very neatly. I will tell you what you have to do in your abacus notebook. Now the last is 7. Now we will make 8. Now first of all we have to make 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Students, you have made these beads. Now what you have to remember at the time of making the beads, see, the beads should stick to each other. एक दूसरे से चिपकी होनी चाहिए beads, and the beads should also stick to the line. See, I have not drawn the bead like this. This is wrong. The bead should stick the line. इस line से चिपकी होनी चाहिए. See, the above bead is also sticking. See, stick to this line, and the lower beads are also stick to this line. ये जो mid वाली line है, इससे सारी beads stick हैं. So the beads should stick to the middle line. आपकी beads middle line से stick होनी चाहिए, चिपकी होनी चाहिए. Now you will draw the next last 5. See, my bead is stick to the middle line. Then 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See students, these bead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These beads I have told you how to make in class first, if you remember. And if you don't remember, then you can go through again here. Now students, you will color these beads. In class first you have colored them. Now again you have to color it. You can use different colors. Now students, I am telling you what you have to do in your abacus fair notebook this time. Means today's activity. The today's activity is that you have to make the beads from 1 to 9 in your abacus fair notebook. And first of all you have to make the beads from 1 to 9, then you have to color them. You can make it more creative by using different colors. Like I am using these two colors, orange, blue. You can use different colors. Like this also you can do. Half. So you have to color your beads. Again I am repeating what you have to do in your fair abacus notebook. you have to make the beads from 1 to 9. See, beads should stick to the middle line. This is middle line, bar. Do you remember? This is bar. This is bar. Do you remember? So this line is only this line. And don't forget to put the dots, because it is a dotted line. Don't forget to put the dots in the middle. So you can draw this. You can put any color of your choice. You can make it more creative. Now kids, we have drawn 1 to 9 beads. Now we will go to abacus tool. Now upper beads up, lower beads down. Now concentrate in your bead 1. See how many beads you can see? 1. So 1. See kids, now you can see it more clearly. I have zoomed my camera. So this is bead 1 and see this is bead 1. And this bead is stick to the middle line. देखिए ये bead इस line से stick है. Same here, this bead is stick to the middle line. So whenever we do this, we call it 1. This is 1. Now put the bead down. Now we will do 2. So 1, 2. See, 2 beads stick to the middle line. इस middle line से देखिए ये stick है, चिपकी हुई हैं इस middle line से, आपस में भी stick है और इस middle line पे भी stick है, इस middle line से. Same way these 2 beads, see they are stick to each other and इस middle line पे भी stick है. So this is bead 2, this is bead 2. Now bead 3. 1, 2, 3. See, they are stick to each other and they are stick to the line also. Line se stick hai. 3. And now you will say, madam, this bead is also there. So we will not count it because it is not stick to these beads. ये stick नहीं है इन beads से, ये नीचे है. I have told you na, like this it is wrong. Yes, this bead is not stick to them. ये bead इनसे चिपकी नहीं है, so ये bead की कोई value नहीं है. The beads which goes up and stick to the line, they have the value. जो beads ऊपर जाती हैं और line से stick हो जाती हैं, उन beads की value होती है. Now put it back. What is next? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. See, 4 here, 4 here. Same I have made. Bits stick to the line, bits stick to the line. This is 4. Now 5. Now you can see no beads are there. Means beads are not stick to the line. देखिए beads नहीं बनाई है मैंने यहाँ पे, इसका मतलब beads line से stick नहीं है. See beads. Now 5. What you have to do? See 5 को ध्यान से देखिए. See 5 carefully. Here your 5 bead is up. देखो यहाँ पर आपकी 5 bead ऊपर है, लाइन से stick नहीं है. बट ये वाली bead लाइन से stick है. See, in this abacus tool, आपकी 5 bead ऐसे है. इस abacus tool में देखिए 5 बीट ऊपर है, ये लाइन से स्टिक नहीं है, ऊपर है, ऊपर वाली लाइन से स्टिक है, नीचे वाली लाइन से स्टिक नहीं है. बट माई बीट स्टिक टू द लाइन, मेरी बीट तो नीचे स्टिक है लाइन से. दिस मीन्स दैट व्हेन वी विल डू दिस 5 बीट डाउन, जब हम इस 5 बीट को डाउन करेंगे और लाइन से स्टिक करेंगे तो 5 बीट we will count. This means that whenever we have to do beat 5, we have to stick the beat to the bar. जब हमें 5 बीट काउंट करनी होगी तो हम इस 5 बीट को बार से स्टिक कर देंगे. Now it is 5. Now put the beat back. Now over next 6. Now see 5 and see 1 down is also there. 6, 5, 6. Now your 7. Put the beads back. 5, 6. See, stick next beat. Then 7. Watch it carefully, kids. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. These all beads are stick to this line. ये सारी beads इस line से चिपकी हुई हैं. ऐसी हमारी beads भी see they are all stick to the line. ये देखिए line से चिपकी हुई हैं सब के सब. Now put the beads back. Now we will do bead 8 and bead 9. See, bead 8. See 5, 6, 7, 8. See, all beads are stick to the line. 5, 6, 7, 8. So whenever there is a question in which you have to count 8, so you will count like this. This is 5, 6, 7, 8. Don't count the bead which is down. इसको नहीं count करते हैं. Only count the beads which are stick to the line. जो इस line से stick है सिर्फ उस bead को count करते हैं. Now put the beads up and down beads down, lower beads down. Now 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See, 9 all are stick to each other and they are stick to the bar also. And see, no bead is down. So this is 9. I hope students you get my today's activity. Again I am repeating what you have to do. You have to draw the beads from 1 to 9 in your Abacus Fair notebook. And some students are asking me that ma'am which type of notebook we have to make. So students you have to make a maths type notebook. A separate notebook for Abacus work which should be a maths type notebook. And your today's homework is to make the beads from 1 to 9. And kids, please, after drawing the beads from 1 to 9, then you will also count it in Abacus tool. Kids, you have learned this in class first in a paper. Now you have to do all this in the tool. So you have to learn these beads in tool. So try to put these beads in tool like this. 6. Again and again practice it. Like you can practice like this. Like put 7 in tool. 5, 6, 7. Like this. Now put 8 in tool. 5, 6, 7, 8. Means you should be quick in putting the beads in tool. Now your topic was beads from 1 to 9. This is your homework. Please students do it in a very neat and clean way. So stay home, stay healthy. Hope you get my video and the things which I have told you in this video. Hope you like it. Stay tuned to learn more. Make beads 1 to 9 at home. Like and subscribe this video. Thank you.